wonder how to use a facial oil or a jade or rose quartz roller? Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to break down this amazing facial oil from Alana Mitchell and tell you all about it and show you how to use it with your jade rollers. So welcome back to today's product review from my bathroom. I am going to share with you today the Neroli Nourishing Facial Oil from Alana Mitchell. You can now get this on my website, so definitely check that out. I'm going to tag this product in this post and you can buy it for yourself. It seems very tiny, but actually you don't use very much of it. So facial oil is used topically on top of the moisturizer to kind of seal in hydration and act as an extra barrier against the exterior. So it will kind of mimic what's known as your acid mantle, which is your skin's protective surface. So what you would do is after you're done cleansing your skin, apply your toner, your serums, your moisturizer, you would then take at least 3 drops of this and apply it to your face. And then that's where the fun part comes in and we get to do the jade roller. So I actually want to show you 2 different types of rollers. Yes, I'm going to show you the rose quartz and the jade, but this is the one I want to talk about. Because on this one, this one has like little kind of pyramids, I guess you could call them, little spikes. So you're like, what? Why would I use this? How would I use this? Like, I'm used to seeing this one. So this one you would use on top of your facial oil. This one you would actually use either on top of a serum or right before you use your serum. And I'm going to explain why, but let me just get my face prepped so I can show you how to do these. Okay, so I have my facial oil on, I have my bangs pulled aside so that I can go ahead and use the jade roller. So what's really cool about the jade roller is that it works for lymphatic drainage, so it's actually going to depuff your face and it's also going to help your product kind of absorb better. So the way that I like to do it, start in the center of your forehead and roll up 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, and then drain it down 3 times. 2, 3. Then rotate it so it's flat and you go across your cheek. 2, 3. And here. 2, 3. And you're going to keep doing this all over your face, and you can do it in sets of 3, 6, or 9. You don't want to use any pressure when you're using this. You just want to let it kind of glide over the skin. You will feel some bumpiness, and that is just either like little knots in your face or lymph that is stuck and you're moving it. So I do a little extra on my jawline. So I've done half my face. Get to the chin. You can go down. 2, 3. So you have the idea of how to use your jade roller. Now, if you were going to use the nobular side, it would be the same motions. You would do the same thing, go in 3s, go up, drain it down, and then same thing. You want to go to the side here, and you can kind of see that it's starting to flush my skin. And that's because the little bumps are triggering, something's happening on the surface of your skin. You need to send new blood, new skin cells to the surface. There's trauma. So that is actually what exfoliation is. And it's something that your skin needs, is it needs this trigger to kind of generate itself to keep working. So that's why you would use something like this, is you would trigger it and say, hey, something's going on the surface, and then your serum can actually penetrate deeper. So this side you use for a facial serum, this side you use for a facial oil. Facial oils are amazing. You definitely want to use one. I am writing a blog all about facial oils. It should be out today, if not tomorrow. I will link it in my bio on Saturday, and then I'll change my link back to my skincare quiz. And just remember, you want to find the right oil for your skin and use it regularly. So this is Neroli, which is made from orange blossoms, and it's really nourishing. So unless you're allergic to orange, this is amazing for all skin types. So check it out.